Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're in the forest, and 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 when you look down here, it looks so pretty.
Oh.
It looks so pretty that I can see a lake down there, but I don't know what height it is. It's like height, and I don't know why is there these. I don't know why. Is there this? I don't know why. There's like a little area to walk out, but do not go there. It's very dangerous for kids. I don't like it. It's very scary. It's like so beautiful. So beautiful. I cannot see it, but if you see it, if it looks beautiful, I can describe. Oh my god. Hi guys. We're at Twin Brooks Nature Park. We're at Twin Brooks Nature Park, and this is a view of If you like walking, I will ask you a question. Do you know that if you walk a long time in like days, like yesterday, today, tomorrow, if you walk, it makes you have a long life. So that's why I'm walking with my dad and my mom and my brother. Looks like a beautiful area. Like a beautiful. The trees, the grass, leaves in the ground. I don't know why. This is another area. This is another cliff, but I can't see it. This is a seat. I don't know how to read it. Just pause it to read it, but doesn't matter. Like a beautiful place, trees. I don't want to be bit by a mosquito, because yesterday I got bit by a mosquito. So another place. Berries. See sky. I don't go there again because I walk. There's a door. Videoing like me. Okay, I don't know why. I have to watch out if I poop. I don't know, because I don't want to step on poop. My dad said do not step on poop. But this is another area with a different seat. It's a different seat, like a different one. Okay, there's another area to go down, so do not go there. What's that? What is that? What is that? I cannot. Oh. I heard something. I heard something right up there. You heard something? I just heard something. I just heard something right in there. Okay, I'm so scared.
You need to explain.
I'm so scared. Okay, I don't want. I just heard some leaves going everywhere. Okay, I don't want to go here. I'm so scared. I'm very scared of snakes. Last time when I was biking in a random place, I saw a real snake. Oh my god, I'm so scared. It goes slithering into the area. What are you doing?
This is weird.
You are weird. I'm staring at you. Okay. I just saw poop, so do not look at it. very disgusting. I have to look at the floor. What is Daddy doing? Okay.
Yan na mo save puno na
I
video.
have a great time walking with the trees on top and the grass on the bottom. I always see mushrooms. So.
But that is
With the
infinite.
flowers.
What infinite?
No. Oh, what's infinite?
Okay, have a great time. Walking. The sky, so bright. I see you too. You dumb bash. Okay, fine. Wait, there's a pathway. Okay. Looks like a beautiful area. Is it beautiful, Kuya? Do you like the forest? The leaves.
This is not a
trees?
forest.
I know. It looks like a forest. It's nature or forest. I just call it forest because I cannot remember it. It looks so beautiful. Okay. We're gonna keep walking. I'm gonna pause the video.
Behind the scenes from nothing.
Okay, can you stop? Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. And then I'm gonna open it. Okay, now we're back. So you can see the forest. I mean, I cannot say it perfectly, so it doesn't matter. I always like walking so I can have a long life. Daddy! What was it? Okay, now I remember. I just saw my own eyes with some. Is that a mushroom? Is there a mushroom? Okay, I have broken eyes. Oh my god! Can you stop doing that, Kuya?
Also, there was like a mosquito behind you.
Oh my god, I don't care. I don't want to run. Don't mind that finger. It's like a beautiful life. Mommy and Daddy. Always happy. Okay, I burped. Excuse me. I like the tree. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Don't mind of that. I just got a mosquito. A mosquito in my arm landed. In my arm. Okay, I'm shaking it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. He's just going on down with the camera. I think I'm cold. I don't know. It's the sun. I can't see the sun. Wait, I do. Now you can see the sun. A map? Okay, we're going across here. I don't know. Hey, I just like to follow its trail. Sweet. $6 billion.
So guys, behind the scenes, I turned off my poop.
What are you doing? You turned off your poop on. Huh? Okay. Oh my god. Look at the house. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Look at the house.
Yeah, it does.
There's a big flag. Take him the big flag.
Huh? Oh, there is. A big flag, but not
You saw
open.
it in the house actually?
Hmm?
The full of the house. No, I can see the stairs.
Oh
This house is like so OP. I want that house.
yeah, it
Look at
is.
the camera. Look. Get back here.
See this? Target weed. Noxious weeds. Product. To, I don't know. Applied September 5, 10 a.m. Ready for use. September 6, 10 a.m.
Okay, can we keep walking now? Oh, it's getting so dark. It feels like a real forest. Ugh. If I see more poop, I don't want.
No, I don't need it.
I already delete the other one.
A squirrel. It's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. A squirrel.
Okay, yo, look, guys, look. This is what a girl looks like. Oh, weird looking girl. And this is what a boy looks like.
If you've seen that little squirrel walking, squirrely, a squirrel. It is a squirrel. A squirrel. Oh my god.
Squirrel with the gun, squirrel with the gun.
Squirrely, squirrely.
I should just let you run.
I was getting bitten. I got bitten again. Why?
Oh no. Don't throw to my butt cheeks. Hey, yo, what's the ring?
I got a sting. I got a sting on me again. It's in my arm. You cannot see it. Okay. I am gonna walk and celebrate.
That is infinite.
Hey, what the frick? Hey, what the frick?
Look at the trees.
Hey, yo, what the frick?
Like the trees. Remember the squirrel. If you've seen the squirrel, like and subscribe. Okay.
Like and subscribe if you see this work.
Yeah.
If you didn't see it, then you still have to like and subscribe.
Yeah. Yeah, we did it. We got it. If you got it. I don't know if you got it. Okay. Can you stop doing that? Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
I think it's already.
I got sting.
Okay. Turun.